If you own an office and have people to manage your business, but are unable to understand what's reducing your profit margins and driving your overall company expenses so high? Or, say you own a business and find it difficult to keep track of your expenses and payments received from clients. Then, all you need is a simple and easy to use application that can do this. ANATYX has the right solution for you. It's called I.D.M.A.S. and stands for Integrated Data Management and Analytics System. Don't get too worried with the big name. Rather, it's a very simple and easy to use free application from ANATYX. This application not only helps you manage your employees, but also keeps track of all office expenses and payments received. Our simple to understand reports then help you know where exactly you are spending more, so you can control your expenses. And with just a mouse click, I.D.M.A.S. also provides all details of your monthly and yearly profit and loss statements. There are also various free tutorial videos available on how to use I.D.M.A.S. For more details, or to get a free copy of I.D.M.A.S., visit our website. You can also find links to all our tutorial videos in the description below.